our way with light of knowledge. Fill our way with pearls of bright. We are the blooms of coming days. We ask you to the calm cool days.
Hi, respected Chief Guest Jessie Ma'am, Malappuram Diet Lecture, uh, Inaugurator Shanavas Sir, Lecture SSMO TTI Tirurangadi, Headmistress Subaida Teacher, JMLP Sparanikat, Thiru, my dear colleagues, parents, and my dear and dear little ones. Today we are going to observe our English Hello World, Hello English first level 2. As we know, we already observed our English first on last January. Why do we going with English in our day-to-day lives? As we know, English is the important and international communicative language of the world. It is the language of science, it is the language of information technology, it is the language of our career, it is the language of our higher studies, and it gives more and more opportunities in our good job opportunities. It provides more and more opportunities to travel everywhere. That is why we are going to observe, we are going to in our to improve our English language skill. As we know, English is the language of 53 countries official language, and about 400 million people are speaking this language as their first language. It is the most second common language also. That is why we are going to with this language, we are selected this language as our most essential language of our day-to-day life. That is why we are going to observe this day with such these activities. This type of activities provides our children more and more opportunities and more occasion to speak English and to live with English in our in their childhood, from their childhood. That is why we are the school faculty and committee members and teachers, parents, and our children and all over the world selected these type of activities to provide our children. So it is my duty to welcome you all on this online platform. So I heartily welcome first our respected chief guest Jessie Ma'am, then inaugurator Shanavas Sir, the headmistress Subaida teacher, and JM committee leaders, and parents, my dear friends, and my dear and dear little butterflies. Hearty welcome all. Thank you. Have a nice English first today. Thank you all.
My dear students, parents and teachers are all welcome. We are conducted to program English Club. Let's live with English.
Here, the words of Mr. Shanavas Paravanur, the teacher educator of SSMO ITE Tirurangadi. Sir, with great pleasure, hearty welcome.
The students of LP sessions are purely connected with the knowledge of English. But today I am talking about kids' education and the role of parents in their education. Kids' education starts from home. Parents are their first teacher and they have a key role in shaping up their character. A balance of education at home and school molds a student's actual learning. Be a helping hand in their educational journey and travel with them with true inspiration. Parental encouragement had played a crucial role in successful students. Their role is not limited to home but involvement in school activities too. A child's learning scale is highly related to how they are treated at home. Kids will be easily inspired by what their parents do. So it would be good to be a role model in their learning phase. Parents are a kid's first teacher and so learn the first things together at home. Doing things together with parents give a sense of support and confidence. Reading the lessons together is one of the best way to be close with the child's learning at school. This is not only improves their vocabulary but invokes interest in them to read more. It is also a good idea to visit the library together and share the quality books to help them good additional knowledge than a classroom lessons. For example, Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland is the best book for reading children's. The book contains many inspirational stories and incidents in that books. Giving good motivation is important for a kind to perform better with studies. Giving good support to kids in their studies would reality lift their speed for learning. Ways of evaluations and different from the different role models. These students, parents and teachers are your best role models. I conclude my talk. I inaugurate this session in the name of God. Thanks to all.
Thanks a lot, sir, with your presence and giving valuable motivation for us as well as with the parents. Now, it's the time to listen the valuable words of our chief guest, Mrs. Jessie Ma'am, lecturer, Diet Malappuram. Sir, please welcome on this platform.
The whole team, JMLP School Paranekad, for conducting this program. Even in this critical moment, teachers conduct such programs for the enrichment of their students. And Francis Bacon, you know who is Francis Bacon? Yes, he is the first English essayist. He stated that reading makes a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. And so, my children, you read again and again, you speak again and again, and you write again and again. So, children, by reading, you can be a full man. If you speak, a ready man. If you write, a perfect man. So, you will become an exact man, a good person. At every situation, you are ready to talk, how to talk, what to talk, how to express your ideas, how to obey others. So, children, and by reading, you can develop your imagination. You can come close with so many personalities in the literature, and you can write your experiences, your feelings, your ideas. Okay? And I congratulate once again the whole team of JMLP's Paranekad for giving their students much exposure, even though the situation is very worse. And let's hope we will get a chance to see together, to meet together, to speak together, and make merry with together. So, my children, once again, I appreciate all your abilities. I wish you all the best to this program. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Good morning to one and all. Today we are observing Hello World, Hello English first. In this occasion, I got an opportunity to give the vote of thanks. First of all, I express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Jessie ma'am, and inaugurator Shanava sir for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you so much for your presence. I also take this opportunity to thank our beloved HM Subaida teacher, English First convener Aisha teacher, all committee members and other staff. Last but not the least, I thank all my students and their parents for making this fest colorful. Once again, thank you all.
Hi everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aisha Mahara. I am 7 years old. I live in Tirur. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite subject is English. My father is driver. My mother is housewife. I like to eat cake. My ambition is doctor. Thank you. Hi friends, I am Melha. I am studying first standard year. I live in Tirur. Shefin Salam. I am studying first standard Jamal P School, Parnekad. My house at Talakadatur. In my family, four members. My father, my mother, my brother, and me. My hobby is seeing cartoons. My father is a driver. Hi, I am Tamanna Selman. I am studying first standard. I have father, mother, and a brother. My hobby, singing. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Ishan. I am studying first standard. Hi, I am Izan Nesrin. I am studying first standard. Hi everybody. I am Nia Fatima. I study in first standard. I am Fatima Nia. Hi everyone, I am Aisha Selmian. I study in first standard. My school name is Jayam. My father name is Samir. My mother name is Sulfat. I have two brothers. I live Tirur. Bye bye. Hello friends, I am Riza. I am studying in first standard. Hi, I am Romana Fatima. I am studying first standard. Hi, I am Shammas. I am studying first standard. Hi all, I am Muhammad Hafiz Kete. I am 6 years old. I am studying first standard. My father name is Naushad. My mother name is Habiba. I love my parents. Hi dears. I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Jifi. I am 7 years old boy. I live in a village. I study in a standard 1. My class teacher name is Sheshmi Miss. My school name is Jayam LP. I have a younger brother. My father is office worker. My mother is housewife. My father name is Jasir. My mother name is Farsana Suman. My brother name is Izdan Jasi. My hobby playing game and watching cartoon. My ambition is scientist. My Hello everyone. I am Shadil. I am studying in first standard. My school name is Jayam School Parnekar Tirur. My class teacher name is Lashmi ma'am. Hello everyone. I am Ishan. I am studying first standard. Hi everyone. I am Albina Anis. I am a girl. I am studying in first standard. Bye bye. Hello everyone. I am Rashid Hussain. I am studying in first class. Hi everyone, I am Riyam Abid. I am studying first standard. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Rifa. I am studying first standard at the JM LPHS. Hi friends, I am Ashin Mama. I am studying first standard. My mother name is Sajina. My father name is Sharif. My class teacher name is Musin sir. I come from Tirur. Thank you. I am Adish. I am 7 years old. I live in Kutipala. I am studying first class. My school name is Jayam HSS Palanakad. There are 4 members in my family. I am strong and healthy. My aim is to become a police. Thank you. Hi friends. Today self-introduction. My name is Aisha Minha. I am studying first standard. My father name is Anish. My mother name is Hasina. I have one sister. Sister name is Aisha Misbah. My favorite dress frock. My favorite fruit mango. My favorite color blue. My favorite food paratha. Bye friends. Hi all, I am Muhammad Hafiz Kete. I am 6 years old. I am studying first standard. My father name is Naushad. My mother name is Habiba. I love my parents. Hello everyone. I am Fatima Mahza. I am studying first standard. Hi Janna. My name is Jessa. I am studying in first standard. Every day I see my mom and said, "Hi, mom." Hi, I am Muhammad Hisham. This is my brother. His name is Hissan. He is on the scene. This is big ball, red in color. This is small ball, pink in color. This is big jackfruit, green in color. This is small jackfruit, green in color. Thank you. Every day I take my phone and call my friend, and we all say hello, hello. Thank you. Every day I watch TV and see cartoons, and we all say hello, hello. How are you? Hi, I am Raja. Every day I go to school and meet my friends, and we all say hello, hello, how are you? Every day I take my phone and call my friends, and we all say hello, hello, how are you? Every day I watch TV and watch and see cartoon, and we all say hello, hello, how are you? Every day I see mom and see my mom and say hi mom, and we all say hello, hello, how are you? Every day I take my phone and call my friend, and we all say hello, hello, how are you? Hi friends, this is my friend Lami. This is my friend Luwai. Bye bye. I am Zahra Shamir. Do you want to meet my friends? Who is she? Do you know her name? Yes. This is Ziana. Hi Zahra. I am Ziana studying in UKG. Shall we meet next French? Meet next French. Who is she? Do you know her name? Yes, this is Suhana. Hi Zara, I am Suhana. I am studying in LKG. We are friends. Hi teacher, it's me Aisha. This is my small activity card. This is name is Hello World. This is mango. This king of the fruit. The mango is very tasty fruit. Yellow is the color of mango. I like it very much. This is very sweet taste. Bye. Hi friends, I am Tamanna Salman. I am telling you about a fruit. You know this? Yes, this is a mango. It is yellow in color. It is very tasty. It is our national fruit. Thank you. Hi, I am Fatima Neha. This is apple. It is red color. It is very tasty. This is my favorite fruit. Thank you. Mango is the king of fruits. It is a very sweet. Mango is green or yellow in color. Mango is national fruit of India. Assalamualaikum. I am Nassim. Apple is a very health fruit. Apple is a very good tasty fruit. Apple, red apple, very sweet apple. Apple, red apple, very sweet apple. My name is Romana Fatima, first year. I am love fruits. I like mango more. It is very sweet. It is very tasty. It is juicy. It have many vitamins and minerals. I love to eat mangoes. Hi all, I am Muhammad Hafiz Kete. Today I talk about my favorite fruit. Banana is my favorite fruit. It is very delicious. It is yellow in color. It has no seeds. I eat banana every day. Hi everybody, I am Muhammad Jihin. My fruit is a mango. My favorite fruit is a mango. It is a yellow or green color. Mango is very tasty and healthy. It is our national fruit. My king of the fruit. It is contain vitamin C, A and C. It is is used to make ice cream, cake, juice, and it's very taste. Mango is very tasty. Thank you. Red color. It is very tasty. Shagil. My favorite fruit is watermelon because of its juicy, rich, tasty. Watermelon is large. Watermelon is mostly full of vitamin C and vitamin A. I love watermelon very much. Hi everybody, I am Aisha Mahara. Today I am going to talk about my favorite fruit, mango. This is mango. Mango is yellow. Mango is juicy and tasty and healthy. It contains vitamin A and C. Used to make juice, cake, ice cream, pickles, etc. Mango is king of fruit, very sweet. I love mango. Thank you.
This is big jackfruit, green in color. This is small jackfruit, green in color. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Alvina Anis. My favorite fruit is mango. Mango is sweet fruit. Mango is king of fruit. Mango is natural fruit. Mango is yellow in color. It has only one seed. Bye bye. Hi ma'am. I love banana. Banana is yellow color. Banana healthy and tasty fruit. I have banana tree. Favorite fruit is watermelon. I love it very much. I love it those two. I am Afshin Mohammed. Apple is my favorite fruit. It is red in color. It is sweet, tasty and juicy. It is very healthy. It also makes our teeth strong. It has many minerals and vitamins. Thank you. I am Muhammad Zian. This is a mango. I like mangoes. Our national fruit is mango. Mango's taste is very sweet. Mango's color is yellow. We use mango for many purposes like pickles, juice and jams. Mango is my favorite fruit. I love mango. Mango is national fruit of India. It is very juicy fruit. Very tasty fruit.
One.
It is loved by everyone. It is found in many varieties. Thank you. I am Fatima Mahza. Today I am going to tell about my favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is orange. Orange is delicious and sweet fruit. Or it is orange in color. It